Hello doctors, welcome back. So the NEET PG 2025 aspirants who are still waiting for the round 3 counselling. So finally the schedule has been announced. So based on this, many of the states have announced their round 3 schedule as well. So once the MCC has announced their timetable, now today we are talking about the state of Uttar Pradesh. So Uttar Pradesh also has officially announced the time schedule for the round 3 state counselling for the candidates who are interested to participate in the round 3. So the round 3 in Uttar Pradesh will commence from 23rd of January and it will last up to 13th of February 2026. So the online registration will start from 23rd and it will end up till 1st of February up till 11 am. Then the time to deposit your documents as well as the security money is again till 1st of February, that is till 2 pm. So that is the time you can deposit your documents as well as your security deposit money. The merit list will be declared on 2nd of February 2026. The choice filling will start from 3rd February and that will go up till 7th of February. And the time is till 11 am and finally the results will be declared on 9th of February. The process for downloading your allotment letter as well as the admission will continue from 10th of February up till 13th of February. So this is the time schedule which will start from 23rd of January up till 13th of February in the state of Uttar Pradesh. So the candidates who are wishing to apply or join in the Uttar Pradesh colleges can go to their official website and check out the notification, and also if you are willing to apply you can go through the notice and apply. So if this was helpful for you guys, please like, follow, share and also share this to your friends who want to go through the round 3 in the state of UP. Thank you so much.